in Alimodjan, ang sa may 7 cities, in San Joaquin and Pianao. And we also conducted the product standard briefing and the seminar wherein gina-update natin ang ating mga hardware suppliers, our MSME, our retailers as to the latest developments when it comes to product standard. And of course, ongoing man ang ating campaign sa Bagwis Awards wherein we encourage our retail establishments to avail of the free nomination application is free, as well as the nomination for them to be certified sa Bagwis to ensure consumer satisfaction and product safety when it comes to their products. So this is during the Bagwis Awards refresher, we assisted 32 applicants and for now naka-18 na itong establishment. So gina-assess na siya based on the criteria of the qualification as to their certification. And most of the establishments gina-require naman sa ilang mga head offices na may Bagwis certified sila. This will give assurance sa buyers na they are getting the best value for their money. During the first semester as well, we were able to launch the shared service facility. Thank you for your news pickups. We had received them and we were able to share it Mansa on other partners. The shared service facility on Pantan Weaving in Barangay Bae, Leon, Iloilo. So that's one SSF established and there are 29 beneficiaries or the weavers nga naka-benefit diri sa aton nga activity. For the industry cluster activities during the first semesters, of course, ongoing man ang aton na skills training on weaving pattern for the wearables and houseware industry cluster. Our Philippine Coffee Philippine Coffee Quality Competition Selection for the coffee cluster. Our capital access and networking for cacao MSMEs and the capacity building for the Bamboo Active PH. That's all in Iloilo Provincial Office.